Backyard sanctuaries are the top home outdoor trend of 2025, and a trade court has ruled against President Trump's tariffs. Jane King is at the New York Stock Exchange with those stories and more in today's Morning Business Report.
Good morning. Overnight markets are higher as a federal trade court ruled that President Trump did not have the authority to impose sweeping tariffs, voiding the levies that have sparked a global trade war and threatened to upend the economy. The decision is from the Court of International Trade. Now, shortly after the decision was handed down, lawyers for the Trump administration said they would appeal. General Motors is pulling a U-turn on electric vehicle production, dedicating an upstate New York plant instead to building its new V8 engines. Amid slowing EV sales, GM will pour $888 million into the plant, so to the $300 million it earmarked for EV production 2 years ago. Well, the Federal Reserve is set to continue holding off on interest rate changes amid heightened economic uncertainty and rising inflation risks. That's according to the newly released minutes from the group's last meeting. Fed officials advised a cautious approach until the effect of changes to government policies becomes clearer. Now, these meeting notes are from the Fed meeting before the easing of tariffs with China. Stocks slipped yesterday. Investors looked through the latest earnings reports and Federal Reserve meeting minutes. Also, there were reports that President Trump will ban computer chip sales to China. Well, from the metaverse to malls, that appears to be the latest plan at Meta. That's according to Business Insider. In the leaked communication, the company, which intends to roll out 6 more wearable devices this year, outlines plans to hire employees and expand its footprint beyond a single Meta store in California. And Americans are striving for harmony at home more than ever, transforming the backyard into a sanctuary that's been named the biggest outdoor trend for this year. The results show a real sentiment to making the most of our outdoor spaces and increasing time in the fresh air. This is conducted by Talker Research on behalf of Trex Company, and the survey also found 4 in 10 homeowners have plans for renovating the outside of their home this year. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King with your Morning Business Report.